excited to unbox my Active2 watch. The scissor. This is from Jarir.
What's inside the box? Outside.
It's a watch.
What's that date?
Ha, yeah. You see? It's a lucky charm. August 5, it's my birthday.
Yeah.
We will not mention the year, okay?
Wait. What's this?
Active2 40mm.
Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Masyadong masilaw. Okay. Selyado siya masyado, no? Caution. Samsung Galaxy Watch. What else? Stainless. Lightweight. My heart and health monitoring. Advanced auto tracker. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. Yan na siya. Doorbells.
Tagal na ito. Ay, aray.
Be careful, Beishi.
Ish. Wait. Matalim pa kasi. Masyadong matalim naman to. Mashallah. How to remove you. Jan 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 jan. Nahirapan ako doon na. Ooh! Let's see. Aha. So.
Ang purpose ng barcode na yun?
Yes. Let's see. Oh, it's not yet attached to the wristband. Sure.
Nakarap pa siya. Galing.
Oh, hindi siya. Sana hindi magasgas. And the strap. You need to attach the strap. Then I will see how to how to remove you. Charan! What's the other accessories? I will see. Is there any instruction? Laa? No. No charger? How come? The charger. This is what?
Magnet siya.
The charger? Aywa. That's the charger. So it's like a USB type. Wala siyang buti na lang may dalawa akong socket. So there's no instruction. Careful yan eh.
Parang something inside. Just open it.
Well, I will just see what's... Charan! Okay. We'll read this quick start guide. I need to see where's the strap. Warranty card. This is warranty card. Okay. Package content. Device layout. Speaker. Okay. How to attach the strap. Mathy-ish instruction. Oh no. What else inside? Nothing. Okay. Let's see what we will do. This is by instinct. And you know, to remove you there. First time, best. Sorry. Ah, so it's already attached. Did I make it right? Same position. Should be in up, right? Up like this. We'll see. We'll try. Or did I make it? Did I make it right? Tama ba to, te?
How do you know if you didn't turn it off? No, turn it on.
No, I mean the attachment of the, or other way around. I think so. This is right.
That's why turn it on.
I know. I just wanted to check. I just wanted to check if it's make it right or on the other way around. Yung strap niya ba? I'm asking with the strap. Ganito siya, no?
Check mo i-on mo.
Wait, where's the button? That is backy microphone. Where's that turning on? Hindi nagbabasa. I don't know how to turn it on. Off mo muna, te. Kasi figure out ko pa siya.